Welcome back to another video. This is my Astra convertible coupe. She's been sat here about 3 years in total. She failed in MOT about 12 months ago. So we're going to have a quick look around at the condition, inside and out. I think the plan is we're going to get this back on the road. We're going to go through the MOT, see what she's failed on. Back when this car came out, it was a real head turner, real stunner. They sold in quite good numbers, way more than expected. Some of these are demanding quite a healthy price. Well, the aerial has really seen better days. That is really cracked, quite nasty looking. So we'll have to get a replacement up. Roof, a tiny little bit of mould on there, but really nothing to worry about. Little scuff, and the same there, tiny little scuff there. It'd be really nice to whack that roof down in nice weather. Well, started raining, so let's have a look at the condition of the inside of this car. Clocks. Steering wheel is a little worn. I mean, there is almost 130,000 miles on this. Overall, right, it's a BMW. A few bits in the back. Seat's a bit worn. Let's look at the gaiters. Brand new. Getting up. Well, that is a bit of an overview of the condition of this Astra. We've took a quick look around the outside, quick look on the inside. So what we'll do now is going to have a look at this MOT failure sheet. So mileage and failure. Do not drive until repaired. Dangerous defects. So tyre has ply or cord exposed near side, front, outer. Okay. Repair immediately. Windscreen wipers do not clear windscreen effectively. Near side. Windscreen wipers do not clear windscreen effectively. Offside. Headlamp aim. Protection beam image is obviously incorrect, near side, and same for offside. We have brake pipes. Brake pipe excessively corroded near side, main at rear. Brake pipe excessively corroded offside front at transitional engine bay, inner wing. And we have another tyre has cut, excessive requirement, excess of the required depth enough to reach the ply or cord offside rear in cap. I don't know what the in cap means, but then we have tyre worn aspect ratio, tyre with different ratio aspect 50 offside rear. So go through this, and then we have repair if necessary. These are advisories, so we'll go through these, but we'll get to them after we do these. First on the list, do not drive until repaired. Dangerous defect. Tyre has ply or cord exposed, near side front outer. You can see we've got a couple of marks, quite a big tear there actually. Second one on the list, these are repair immediately, major defects. Windscreen wipers do not clear the windscreen effectively, near side and offside. They are pretty bad. They've just fell to pieces with age. Yeah, that one as well. Yeah, they are in pretty awful condition. They definitely need to be changed. Third on the list, headlamp aim projection beam image is obviously incorrect, near side and offside. In the condition they're in, they most likely will affect the beam pattern, but they have gotten a lot worse since the last MOT. They really wasn't that bad, but they're going to need a bit of work or replacing. Let's take a look at the other side. I'm sure it's not going to be any different. No, just the same. So the first thing I think we'll do is polish them, and then if they need anything more aggressive, then we'll go more aggressive, but we'll start light. Moving on to fourth on the list, brake pipe excessively corroded, near side, main at rear. So let's hunt down, let's go through this pipe and see where it is. I mean, brake pipes on the MOT are being flagged up more and more now. They are becoming a regular failure, or at least, at very least, an advisory now. A little scrape, and that's perfectly fine there. We'll just carry on going through. Yeah, that is just dirt, so that's fine. We'll just carry on. There we go. That looks a bit more corroded, a bit more unhappier. So I think we found the issue. And if you look, we've got this yellow indication, so there's a bit more brake pipe there that looks a bit more deep set of rust, and nothing's been flagged up down here, so I'm assuming they're fine. So back up to where he's put the markings, and yeah, right up in there. It doesn't look great. I'm still going to give these a bit of a scrape and rub test to see what comes off and what remains. Give them a bit of a tug, see if they break. Wow, listen to that. That's a little bit rusty, but it's not seized. It's a good thing, it's not seized. We might have to take it off, but we'll have a quick look first, see what's going on. Fifth failure on the list, brake pipe excessively corroded, offside front at transitional engine bay to inner wing. I don't see any yellow indication yet, but we're just going to check the whole pipe anyway. Have a good look about and a scrape. It's always best. Right, there we go. Nice and easy, clearly shows a nice arrow. So this tyre is a 205 55 16. 7th on the list. Tyre with different aspect ratio are fitted on the same axle. Offside rear 50. Right, we've pulled the battery off and it's completely dead. We're going to get this charged up so we can have a go at, well, see if the car starts in the next video. This battery is totally dead. Error. We're going to have to dumb charge it. This is a smart charger, it's just not working. Will this battery charge up? This battery's now been charging overnight, so it's almost done. 14.5 volts, 1 bar left. Well guys, that is just about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you're interested in seeing if the Astra gets started and back on the road, come back, pop in for another view. All the cells are sort of fizzing, bubbling. So, not much longer to go, and we'll get that in the car, see if she starts up.